Okay, so the only tool you're going to need to take out the battery is a quarter inch drive socket handle with a 10mm socket. And what you're going to want to do is come over here and detach the negative terminal first. There's the negative terminal. Detach that. Tuck this up where it's not going to get in the way. Take your 10mm socket. Loosen the positive terminal. Wiggle that off of there. Tuck it out of the way. Remove the insulation jacket. So now that you got your extension, that bolt right there is a clamp that's holding the battery in place. So you gotta loosen that bolt in order to get the battery out. Here's a more clear look as to what this hold down looks like inside the vehicle. And also make sure to clean your battery box. Use a vacuum and soapy water. Alright, so you're going to want to clean your battery terminals. Just make sure these are pretty clean as they are. They really don't need much, but if there's any corrosion on there, just make sure to get it out of the terminals. Wire brush does the trick. This one really isn't ideal. It should really be a round wire brush, but whatever works. Right, so time to install the new battery. Just make sure that you remove the caps and the terminals are clean. Goes in there like so. Before you attach your connections, make sure this is out of the way. Make sure this guy's up out of the way. Before you attach your stuff, make sure put your cover back on the battery. It's gonna be a little bit finicky because a whole bunch of stuff for it to get caught on. Wire clips and such. About as good as we're going to get. You're going to reinstall the positive terminal. Make sure it's seated nice and flush. Straight. And then take your negative terminal that you tuck back to here to get it out of the way. Go ahead and reattach that. Don't forget the electrical plug that sits on top here. You tucked out of the way. And then tighten your negative terminal. Last thing you can do is add some silicone grease to the metal surface to help prevent corrosion.